Hello and good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about the lesson plans which are made in the B.ed third semester. So, first of all, these lesson plans are the part of the curriculum which you are going to teach as the pupil teacher in your internship program. So, first thing we do is we put the lesson number, whichever the lesson plan number is there, you put that lesson plan number, then name of the pupil teacher, that is your name. Here, the teachers who are in the internship phase are called pupil teacher. So, pupil teacher's name, that is your name, will come under here. Then the name of the school from wherever you are doing the internship, that school name will come here. Then the subject you are teaching according to your method. It can be any method, that is the two methods which are recognized according to your study background. As for my sake, it is commerce and English. So any method, that particular subject will be here. For instance, here I will write commerce. Now the topic you are teaching in this particular period, in this particular lesson, that topic will come over here. Then the class, whichever class you are taking, the period, whichever period you are taking in the school, that is 1 to 8, whichever period you will mention over here. For instance, if I am teaching in 7th period, I will write 7th over here. The duration of the period. Now there is 40 minutes, 35 minutes, and 45 minutes. So whichever duration your school follows, that duration will be given over here according to the time minutes. So this is the first part of the lesson plan. We will continue this in the next short.